house and lot na very accessible going to Metro Manila at sobrang napakabilis at quality yung land development ng area at house construction from this to this. Bakit First Park Homes Calamba West? Siyempre, sobrang napakalapit lang ito sa township development ni Ayala at ni Philinvest. Ito yung No Valley at Ciudad de Calamba. Number 2, flood-free ang community dahil 192 meters above sea level ang project location. Kaya worry-free ka pagdating sa investment ko dito. At ang kagandahan, complete turnover na ang bahay with gate and fence at kasama na sa total contract price ang water and electricity installation. Kaya hassle-free ka na. Kaya ikaw, if you are interested sa maaliwalas na community with Mount Makiling at Tagaytay View, tara, side tripping tayo!